Wegachalor wegachamot ben chagienda chakpol. Today, let us change the following statement from Dinka to English language. Number one, Bany achilo nyamlel ke wende. Bany achilo nyamlel ke wende mean the sheep has gone to Nyumlel with his son. The sheep has gone to Nyumlel with his son. Number two, Kachke achilo baiken. His people went to their homes. Number three, Tik Emande Nyar. Tik Emande Nyar means the woman loves her child. Number four, Majak Eman Ima. Majak Eman Ima mean Majak is a son of my mother. Majak is a son of my mother. Number five, Tik Echi Manumuch Diet. Tik Echi Manumuch Diet mean the woman has given birth to a boy. The woman has given birth to a baby boy. Number six, Moch mit kienka. Moch mit kienka mean give my children something. Number seven, Mukkene yishin. Mukkene yishin mean hold this with your hands. Hold this with your hand. Yishin mean your hands. Muk mean to hold something or to carry something. Number eight, Achiko good yechok mean has been parched by the thorn. Number nine, Achik ting kanyin. Achik ting kanyin mean they have seen it with their own eyes. They have seen it with their own eyes. Ting kanyin mean they have seen it. Nyin eyes. Number 10, Liechka wekot. Liechka wekot mean look behind your back or look behind or turn your back. That is what it means. Liechka wekot. Look behind. Byron Pyo Tongjang William Majak Nialich Abuek Dojben mean God bless you all. Please follow, subscribe, like and share. Nyali Kawek Kuyania Ayan William Majak Malek Deng. Bye bye.